We have two boys here, one young gray male. His ears were cut. Yeah, look at you.
Spade.
Oh, look at this one. He's trying to swim. He's a water dog. He is a water boy.
He's going back for more on the other side.
That was very cute. Good video, thank you. You're a good boy. Here, let me take this off. You want to try that? I think he wants to try it. It looked like fun. You got the water all dirty for you? Anyway, we have two young boys here. They're doing really well.
No privacy.
No privacy at all. I do like to see nice, healthy ones.